about that, guys. My camera ran out of space, so I had to clear out some really fast. But anyway, here's the collection set for the Rise of Darkrai movie. Comes with 2 CDs, and then I think, yeah, it comes with 2. Can't get to the other. Oh, I just take this off. That's cool. Then it comes with this one. That's really cool. Look at the detail in that. And this is just a music thing. It has some cool pictures in it featuring the movie. Oh, it shows all the movies. That's cool. So this is the darker one. I think this is movie history. And there's the Carnivine balloon. Team Rocket. That's cool. And then on the back it lists the songs, but of course it's in Japanese, so I don't know what it says. I'm gonna have to look that up. So I'm not sure which CD has the music on it. I assume it's this one, silver one, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to check and see. So there's that. That's awesome. That was worth the money and wait. I didn't even have to wait that long. I'm gonna set that back there. And it fell. Set it back there. Skittles! No! Okay, next package is from Amazon. Love Amazon. So I'm going to open it up. Don't even have to open it up very much. So these are some grip skins for this. I got this for Christmas, and I've yet to open it because I was waiting for a skin. So I'm going to open this up and put the grip on. What this does is it works like a Pokemon GO Plus, except it has a Mew in it already, and it automatically spins Pokestops. So that's awesome. I'm going to use this a lot. And it's rechargeable. So it stays charged for 3 hours. And it has a USB-C cord. So I'm going to open this up. If I can figure out how to. Okay, I figured out how. It's a little flap. There. And I kind of destroyed it, but that's okay. Oh, it comes with tape. I didn't even see tape. There we go. There's the Go Plus. There's the Pokeball Plus. And here it is. Oops, not the camera. I didn't do that. So here's the Pokeball Plus. It's pretty cool. So much bubble wrap. And it does turn on. So that's awesome. It comes with this little strap. Have on, and then this is the cord, so you can just plug it in. So let me open this now. I'm gonna actually choose the blue one because that's the one I want to use, and then I'm gonna give 2 other ones to my friends. So it also comes with these little things which you put right on here. So I gotta figure out how to do this. Came with instructions. So I'm pretty sure you just stretch it on. Oh, hey guys, guess what? Oh, Skittles. I guess Skittles doesn't like Mew. Come here. But the Pokeball Plus makes noise, and that's pretty cool, isn't it? Come here. Okay. I guess I won't be shaking it around Skittles. Oh, I did not mean to do that. I'm just trying to get the button on. I'm about to give up on this button. Yeah, I give up. I'll have to figure that out later. But there's a Pokeball Plus. Now let me get my phone to set it up. So I got my phone, it's right here. And all you gotta do is you gotta go in the menu, the settings to be exact, and go to the Pokeball Plus. There it is, it popped up. So click on that, turn it on, okay, and it's connecting, and it's connected. Sweet. And now I can spin Pokestops without pressing a button and catch Pokemon with this, just like the Go Plus, except you're going to use the top button to catch Pokemon, not the button. So I think that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I sure enjoyed opening these. This has to be my favorite item I unboxed today. I just love Pokemon stuff, especially from Japan, where it originally started. So yeah guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!